Welcome to Learn Languages by Topics. Today, we've got another exciting challenge for you. Guess the animal's baby name quiz. Get ready to put your knowledge to the test and see if you can guess the correct baby names of these animals. Don't forget, every second counts. So stay focused and let's jump into the game. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is a baby lion called? A cub, a kitten, a cub.
Great job.
What is a baby dog called? A pup, a calf, a pup.
Nice work.
What is a baby cat called? A kitten, a lamb, a kitten.
Nice work.
What is a baby elephant called? A calf, a fawn, a calf.
You got it.
What is a baby horse called? A foal, a calf, a foal.
Awesome.
What is a baby rabbit called? A kit, a chick, a kit.
Correct?
What is a baby cow called? A calf, a lamb, a calf.
That's right.
What is a baby fox called? A kit, a cub, a kit.
You nailed it.
What is a baby panda called? A cub, a kitten, a cub.
Good job.
What is a baby shark called? A pup, a calf, a pup.
Perfect.
What is a baby giraffe called? A calf, a cub, a calf.
Excellent.
What is a baby camel called? A calf, a kid, a calf.
Bravo.
What is a baby zebra called? A colt, a foal, a colt.
You're on fire.
What is a baby koala called? A joey, a cub, a joey.
Amazing.
What is a baby tiger called? A cub, a pup, A cub.
Great job.
What is a baby wolf called? A pup. A kit. A pup.
Well done.
What is a baby bear called? A cub. A lamb. A cub.
Nice work.
What is a baby kangaroo called? A joey. A calf. A joey.
You got it.
What is a baby chicken called? A chick. A lamb. A chick.
Awesome.
What is the baby owl called? A owlet. A cub. A owlet.
Correct.
What is a baby swan called? A cygnet. A lamb. A cygnet.
That's right.
What is a baby duck called? A duckling. A fawn. A duckling.
You nailed it.
What is a baby sheep called? A lamb. A cub. A lamb.
Good job.
What is a baby whale called? A calf. A pup. A calf.
Perfect.
What is a baby raccoon called? A kit. A cub. A kit.
Excellent.
What is a baby gorilla called? An infant. A cub. An infant.
Bravo.
What is a baby dolphin called? A calf. A pup. A calf.
You're on fire.
What is a baby crocodile called? A hatchling. A kit. A hatchling.
Amazing.
What is a baby hedgehog called? A hoglet. A calf. A hoglet.
You got it.
What is a baby bat called? A pup. A cub. A pup.
Awesome.
What is a baby monkey called? An infant. A kid. An infant.
Correct.
What is a baby peacock called? A pea-chick. A cygnet. A pea-chick.
That's right.
What is a baby penguin called? A chick. A calf. A chick.
You nailed it.
What is a baby cheetah called? A cub. A kitten. A cub.
Awesome.
What is a baby snail called? A hatchling. A larva. A hatchling.
That's right.
Great job! You've just completed today's Guess the Animal's Baby Name quiz. Did you get all the baby names right? If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. More exciting quizzes are on the way, so stay tuned. See you in the next challenge.